Good morning, y'all. So, I just woke up and mommy and daddy just left for work. I have some clothes to pin out. Yes, I just wake up and have clothes to pin out. So there was some sheets and some I call those stuff spread. So I'm going to pin that out, and I actually want to go in the town today because I have a funeral on Sunday. I don't know how to cover my hair. I could just, but I don't want to do that. I'm tired of covering my hair, and I did not have any time to go and get my hair done because I had an exam yesterday, but I never know about until the day before yesterday night. Yeah, so I didn't have any time to go and get my hair done. I didn't have any time to go in the town and do anything. So I want to go in the town to get a few stuff to install my wig, and yeah, so come along with me if you want. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. And yeah, enjoy. So guys, I just put out the clothes and I washed my face and everything. So my glasses. So I know you guys are set at a weird angle, but I sort of rearranged my room. My room has a lot of stuff in there, so I can't arrange it how I want to, because some things in here take up space but I don't need in here, but I have nowhere to put them. You get me? So yeah, I plan to set them out soon, so you guys will see that if I decide to fit that. But I'm going to bathe. I need to go to the ATM because I don't like using my card, in like Chinese man stores. I like use my card. So I need to go to the ATM. I should probably eat something. I don't eat anything from mine, not even water I'm gonna drink, and I don't feel like eating anything right now because it goes slow me up, and I really just want to go in the town, do what I have to do, get home back, because mom leaves work at 1:30 today. I don't know what time daddy leave work because his work is unpredictable. So I just want to go to town, do what I have to do, and come back. Yeah, so I probably buy something to eat in the town, and yes, I might go bathe. Yeah. I'm ready, and I forgot to charge my watch, so I don't know the time right now. It's probably after 12, I think. I don't think it's after 12 though, but it's not 1 o'clock yet. So I'm gonna head in the town now and get this stuff for my hair, and I'll see you guys soon. Guys, I know I should have woken up this morning. I'm going to town with mommy and daddy because I live in like a residential area. It's not a known residential area, but far from the main road. And like, my brother them don't want to bring me go nowhere because there's a car in the yard. But yeah. Hey guys, this one is piercing my skin. So I want to walk fast, but at the same time I don't want to walk fast because I go hotter, I think. So I'm going to take my time and walk. But there. I just got to mommy's office and I didn't get everything that I wanted because the lace glue, I did not know that there's so much fake ghost bond. The thing is, you know guys, as it stands right now, I rarely install my own wigs and me never budget $2,500 for lace glue. Like, I have other glues can use to install a wig, but I wanted the ghost one, and the ghost one was for $2,500. Another place was $3,800. So yeah, but I may go back and buy it. Who knows? Mommy's on the phone, and she leave work. She finishes work at 1:30, but that is outside waiting, and I don't know where she had up on the phone. Actually, she said 1:30 gone. But yeah, I was drinking some water, and we need to go buy food. We're going grocery shopping, so when we go over Fairview, I buy food. Okay guys, so we're not doing the big shopping today. This is what I'm learning. Apart from Proceed Fix, yes, anyways guys, we're not doing the big shopping today, so we're just buying 2 little things put in the house until we can do the big shopping. Guys, every time I come to the supermarket, I look for ground beef and I can't find it. Well, no, it would be around here, so down here, so can't find ground beef. Message for ground beef from the beginning of this year. I look for it when I'm at school. I can't find it in the supermarkets. I come back home, I can't find it in a big Progressive. Every time I come to Progressive, them don't have ground beef. Upset. So guys, I'm home. We didn't do much grocery shopping because we're gonna go out next week. So I got something to eat, so and all the hiccups. So my mouth is full. Yeah. But I think this is the end of the vlog because I'm tired. I just want to bed and go lay down in my bed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Oh guys, at the beginning of the semester I weighed 115 and I just came from the supermarket and your girl weighs 128 pounds. And honestly, like when I came home and I was putting on some clothes, so I left home, I say, no man, why this feels so close? You know, like I put on weight because the things I never used to have to jump in or you know stretch to go in. I had to do that. I mean, I said, I really and truly put on weight, but you never look like I put on weight, but you look like I put on weight. If you get what I say. So others see it, but of course I don't. My face has always been fat. But yeah guys, I think this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I have videos for you guys to watch, upcoming videos that is. So please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys.